to be done, but it's done. It's laying right here.
Earning them each a cut of the company's first ever profit.
Here you are, buddy. Yeah, we got it.
Perfect. I know my dad will be, proud of, how the things I put this group together. I believe I should be proud of myself. That's a pretty big deal to finish with that.
The champions, we got a lean, mean, killer machine.
I couldn't do this without you, man. I mean, if I didn't have you on that rig, I'd be out. So, you mentioned me going after the meeting here. I know how much experience you really got out here, and you're making this work like this, so, yeah. I love it, man.
While Big Gun reaches their first milestone up in Washington,
We are in the clouds today.
Ryguard's in the thick of it.
It's just drizzle and wet and foggy. You can't even see 25 feet up here.
Gage still off-site, leaving Greg in charge.
It's slowing my production down. It's wearing me out. It's making me really cranky. Okay, Eddie, go and send them back. I can't see any more trucks.